हाय एवरीवन, दिस इज पल्लवी। तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू एंड वी आर अगेन हैविंग सेकंड सेशन इन द रो टुडे। सो हाय संदीप, हाय चेतन, हाय रोहित, हाय रंगा, हाय मतीन, हाय गौरव। So yes guys, there is a quick update. So as you know, 2nd October is coming, okay, and 2nd October is Mahatma Gandhi, our father of the nation's birthday. So on this occasion, Fit India movement, it's an initiative by Government of India, has organized 2-kilometer plogging event. So it involves fitness and cleanliness, right? So you can actually be fit and you can actually make our planet and our country cleaner. So what it does is, like, there is a walk for 2 kilometers, like you can run for 2 kilometers, and you can actually pick the garbage and the litter, whatever is lying around in the 2-kilometer walk. And so it's running as well as cleaning, right? And you can actually organize this in your own locality. So organizations can organize, workplace can organize, even the societies can organize this running, and like it's a plogging event. So both running and cleaning, like picking the garbage, picking the litter, right? And it's for 2 kilometers and it is done on 2nd October. And you actually can check more details on fitindia.gov.in/event-guidelines. I'm repeating, Fit India, please note it down. This is the website where you can actually participate in 2-kilometer plogging event by, it's a cleanliness and fitness drive by Government of India. So fitindia.gov.in/event-guidelines. Okay, any questions? I'm again repeating, Fit India, FITINDIA.gov.in/event-guidelines. Okay, so please do participate. It's the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, and it is, and again all the participants will get a certificate of participation, and even the organizers will get a certificate. Okay, so yeah, please, you can actually go to the website, check more details and participate. So yes, someone asked me what the session is about. So session is how safe is anal sex. Okay, तो ये ऐसी चीज़ है कि सेक्स तो टैबू है ही, बट एनल सेक्स पे और भी ज़्यादा टैबू है, राइट? So we are going to talk about this topic. We'll talk about, no, there is no registration fee, Sandeep. You can just go log in. In fact, you can organize a walk if you just fulfill the eligibility criteria, which I think is quite simple. So fitindia.gov.in/event/guidelines. ओके, मैं एक बार रिपीट कर रही हूँ, fitindia.gov.in, जो कि दिखा है आपने, राइट लिखा है, -event/guidelines. Okay, so how safe is anal sex? So according to a survey in Cosmopolitan, in fact I also myself did the survey, so that it asked the question like, okay, have you ever attempted the anal sex? And it was only 45% have said yes and 55% have said no. So anal sex is also classified as unnatural sex. Okay, तो ये चीज़ है कि एक तो स्टिग्मा है ही, क्योंकि एनल को वैसे भी एक डिस्कम्फर्ट होता है, बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट naturally, it is relaxed. There is an anal sphincter which is very tight because it wants to keep the digestive contents in the place. So right, nice Sandeep, that's great. So though most couples still are like doubtful or have their own thoughts about doing it, but it is completely safe if it is done in the right way. So we are going to talk about this, but right now there is a quiz coming on your screen, so please give that quiz because you will actually get points. I have seen like some users have got 25,000 points. तो ये आप ध्यान रखिए. ओके, जी ओके 14,000 पॉइंट्स, संजीव गुप्ता 15,000 पॉइंट्स। भाई बहुत बढ़िया है ये तो, मतलब ज़बरदस्त है। 14,000 पॉइंट्स आई थिंक। आप तो काफ़ी सारे मतलब क्लोज हैं आप तो। हाय वैशाली, हाय डॉक्टर पूजा। ओ हाउ यू मेड दिस, दिस इज़ नाइस। Okay. So background is we are talking about the safety of anal sex and how to have a safe anal sex. So whether anal sex is safe or not, and if not, how can we have it safely? How can we do it safely? So anal sex is not something that it's out of possibility. It's out of scope. People do still do anal sex, but sometimes we do it incorrectly. So we are going to talk about what are the common mistakes we do, because like anything else, you need to be educated. ओके, एनल सेक्स एजुकेशन भी होना चाहिए। तो वो आज की जो क्लास है वो यही है, एनल सेक्स एजुकेशन क्लास है। तो देखिए ऐसा होता है कि मोस्ट कपल्स स्टिल डू नॉट हैव एनल सेक्स, राइट? Like I said, I quoted the survey, Cosmopolitan survey, only 45% couples have had anal sex as per the survey respondents, and 55% never had any kind of anal sex. There is a fear, there is a taboo, there is a doubt, there is of course a lot of stories we hear that okay, it's painful, it's discomfort, and then it's like okay, it could be dirty. I mean, dirty is also like one of the things that we pit against the anal sex, but it can be completely healthy and safe if done in the proper way. Now there are some definitely side effects, so which could be like hemorrhoids. So if some person has hemorrhoid, which is like swelling in the blood vessel, near blood vessel of the rectum, anus, then it can aggravate. Hemorrhoids की problem जिनको है वो aggravate हो सकता है if you do anal sex. And long term, which is like very uncommon but it is still there, prolapse हो सकता है. Prolapse का मतलब है कि the body part has slipped down from its original position, but that's like long term. Okay, it's not something that is happening very frequently, and that also it's very very rare, but I'm just giving you all the information that definitely it's not something that okay, you cannot attempt. A lot of people do attempt. A lot of people say that anal sex is like gay sex या ट्रांसजेंडर्स करते हैं, पर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. हेट्रोसेक्सुअल कपल्स भी होते हैं, इंक्लूडिंग विमेन, दे ऑल्सो लाइक एनल सेक्स. सो एनल सेक्स इज नॉट अबाउट जस्ट inserting penis into the anus. It can be fingers, it can be sex toys, it can be butt plugs. So a lot of options in anal sex. सो क्विज बस ख़त्म होने वाला है. हम शीघ्र ही अपनी बातचीत रिज्यूम करेंगे, तो आप प्लीज़ बने रहिए हमारे साथ. और जी ग्रेट, जी ख़त्म हो गया क्विज. अब हम बातें करेंगे वापस जो हम बात कर रहे थे, लेकिन पहले मैं थोड़ा स्कोर के बारे में जान लूँ. क्या स्कोर्स आए हैं हमारे दर्शकों के? सो गाइज प्लीज़ 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 शेयर योर स्कोर्स. Come on, 31,000 people, really? I just checked that. I was like, the last I checked was 16,000, 17,000, and great. I mean, the participation is like amazing. I'm glad that so many people are taking out time for such an important aspect. See, personally I say, after I have had sex education, like after I started it, there is a drastic change in my like sex life, in the way I look at sex, pleasure. I'm more happy, okay, I'm more youthful. तो एक मतलब पर्सनली भी बताऊंगी कि नॉट जस्ट एज अ सेक्सपर्ट, बट ऑल्सो ऑन अ पर्सनल लेवल. आई थिंक it is something, it's a very important part of life. So let's talk about it. So great, 50 without apple, that's great. Neha, that you know all the questions. Vanshita, congratulations. Deepak, Sokimul, Anshul, Deepesh, Ravi, Bindu, great. मुनमुन प्योर वेजिटेरियन, मैं भी प्योर वेजिटेरियन हूँ. Okay. So guys, anyone you have any questions, please reach out to Goki team on chat. Okay, and please raise all questions so you will get help there. Thank you. ओके तो हम अपना सेशन रिज्यूम करते हैं बिकॉज बहुत सारे व्यूअर्स हैं जो वेट कर रहे हैं टू स्टार्ट द सेशन. सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ सेफ इज एनल सेक्स. ओके, so like I said, I just quoted for those of you who have just joined, 45% people have tried anal sex and 55% people have not tried anal sex as per a survey done by Cosmopolitan, which means a lot of couples are averse to the idea of having anal sex, and mostly it is women because the penetration, it's about penetration, so a lot of women have these inhibitions. But yes, and it is not incorrect because we know very little about anal sex. We think कि ऐसे ही करना है, but अगर आप ढंग से करो, पूरी सावधानी रिलैक्सेशन के साथ करो, तो it can be a pleasurable, safe experience. So let's talk about how to do that. So first thing is that कि पहली चीज़ होती है कि जो थोड़े बहुत साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स मैं बता रही थी, हिमोरॉइड्स होता है. हिमोरॉइड्स अगर जिनको है प्रॉब्लम है या किसी को पर्सन को प्रॉब्लम है, सो डूइंग एनल सेक्स कैन एग्रेवेट दैट. Secondly, there could be a long term, after doing long term of anal sex, long term practice of anal sex, there can be an issue of prolapse, which is like when a body part displaces, I mean it moves down from its original position, that is called prolapse. So anal prolapse की संभावना है, which is like very uncommon, it's like uncommon, that is all only seen in long term use, like you're really into anal sex over years. But otherwise there is no problem. You can safely do it with the techniques I'm going to explain you now. So first thing to understand is you need to have lubrication for comfortable anal sex. You have to have plenty of lubricant because anal tissue is not automatically lubricates. Okay, so unlike vagina lubricates, self lubricates because of hormones. Anus does not have any kind of lubrication, so you need to add on lubrication. And always use water based lubrication and not the oil based lubrication because it can rupture the condom. So do not use a oil based lubricant like Vaseline. Okay, Vaseline can rupture the condom. Why it is needed to use the condom? Because you of course know that doing anal sex you cannot get pregnant. Okay, so using condom is important because anal sex, like any other unprotected vaginal sex, can have a lot of high risk of sexually transmitted infection. Okay, so chlamydia, gonorrhea, syphilis, HIV, HPV, herpes, these all are sexually transmitted infections, STIs, that can pass through anal sex, and there is a very very high chance. Okay, plus oral contact with anus. So I remember I pleased, that was a time when I was like really sex exploring. So I was actually like this touching the anus of my male partner with my tongue. Okay, so I wanted to give him a pleasure, enhance pleasure. So that was something I knew that okay, this is a technique. But then you should remember that anal sex, even using tongue on the anus, I mean not even penetration, because we think penetration means only by penis, but it is not true. You can actually penetrate the anus by penis, like we all know, then fingers, then sex toys like butt plugs, and then tongue. So tongue can also be used to penetrate the anus. So if you are using tongue to penetrate the anus, or like kiss the anus, or like lick the anus, you have to maintain a very hygiene, lot of hygiene, because there could be a risk of passing intestinal parasites, okay, and hepatitis also. Yes, so good hygiene is important. Good hygiene is that it should be cleaned, the anus should be cleaned. You should not actually keep, and then you can wash it after having the anal sex. So थोड़ा hygiene का ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा इसमें. Also, like I said, that lubricants, use a lot of lubricant. Use latex based condom and dental dam. So in case you want to kiss the anus or lick the anus, yes, condom is safe, of course safe, Niljum. So yeah, so like I said that you can actually use you can actually use dental dam. So dental dam is a barrier method that you can actually wear on your teeth, and you can wear dental dam while you are doing anal sex, so that decreases the risk of sexually transmitted infections, including the intestinal parasites that I just told. Now understand that anus has a muscle that needs to be relaxed for penetration. See, a lot of times we think that okay, we can just jump into the anal sex, right? And whether condom is safe while used blowjob. You can use dental dam. Nijum, dental dam is actually used for oral sex, so the partner can wear the dental dam who is giving the oral sex. Okay, and yes, so anus has a muscle that needs to be relaxed during penetration. Okay, by in itself, the anal sphincter is kind of a gatekeeper that actually put the things in rectum. Okay, तो रेक्टम जो होता है जहाँ से आपका पूप आता है, पूप, you understand poop, the dirty thing we all think that, okay, so anal sphincter is really tight because it keeps the content in place in rectum. So it is important that anal sphincter relaxes for a good pleasurable anal sex. So sphincter जो होता है बहुत tight होता है. So relaxation involves patience. So you cannot just jump into anal sex. You need to have foreplay. Even you need to massage the anus by fingers, by making rolling circles, and make sure that your fingers are trimmed. I mean the fingernails are trimmed, not the fingers. So fingernails, आपकी जो nails है वो trim होनी चाहिए, because it can hurt, because like I said, anus is not naturally lubricating. So you need to actually relax, otherwise if you jump it can actually involve tearing of the muscle. Okay, so foreplay can smooth the anus, but see, you need a lot of time and you need to constantly talk with the partner if she's liking, if she's ready, a lot of things. So that is something that even women can do anal sex. So like I said, that anal sex does not involve penis, it can be done with fingers. So even a woman can do. So it needs a constant feedback taking and sharing, that are you ready, are you comfortable, is it okay, is it going good. तो ये चीज़ें जो हैं hemorrhoid, correct Shraddha, yes. So like I said, talking with your partner is essential. See, anal sex cannot be a surprise request that okay, let's have anal sex. No, or oops, it just slipped. So it has happened with me a lot of times when my male partner suddenly slipped his penis into the anus, into my anus, and I was like, oh god, just stop doing it. So it's like a very sudden surprise for me, and it's uncomfortable, and it's a major violation of trust and consent. Okay, so please make sure that you always have a consent that you want to do it, and then you have a conversation that okay, can we do it. No sudden surprise, no sudden excuse that okay, it just slipped, I just wanted. No, because it's also about the other partner. Now let's talk about dirty thing, that okay, we think that okay, there is a poop inside the anus and it will like it will go to the penis and it's like all dirty. See, we have to understand that stool जो होता है, जो poop होता है basically, stool जो होता है, it actually hangs on higher in the body. Okay, तो काफ़ी high होता है, इतना नीचे नहीं होता है, and it is not there even in the anal and rectum. Okay, it is higher up in a section called sigmoid colon. Yes, it can be Niju. So like I said, see, we are giving some tips. It's not necessary, it can actually help. If someone is uncomfortable, you have to respect their boundaries and you should not do it. But those who are like curious to do it and don't know how to start and what to do, this is a session for them. That yes, the first thing is like lubrication should be there, relaxation should be there, so you can actually gently massage the anus with your fingers, make sure that nails are trimmed. Then conversation is required, that okay, the partner is even open to the idea. Maybe you can just try and just stop there, just stop at the anus, maybe very light penetration. You think that okay, she's not ready, she's like squeezing up, because anus has to be relaxed. Okay, she has to relax her entire hip, so it has to come from the hip relaxation, starting from the pelvic floor relaxation. तो धीरे धीरे वो आप फिर anus पे relaxation आपका आता है. तो relaxation is necessary, relaxation needs patience. Then lubrication can help. For dirty people who think that it's dirty because it will, the stool or the poop will stuck on the penis. It's not true, because stool actually hangs higher in the body, so above the anus and rectum. Even the rectum, it is there in a section called sigmoid colon. So if you're eating healthy food, fiber food, so anal canal is actually clean, it's not dirty. There could be some small microscopic fecal material, very microscopic, and hence you must make sure that if you are actually doing anal sex, so you should not straight away jump to the vaginal sex. Please make sure to wash your penis or wash your fingers, whatever, because there could be some microscopic fecal material. Okay, so that might not be seen per se, like we think that okay, there is a poop, but no, there is no poop, but there could be some small fragments which can pass infections to the vagina, because these two are different environments. Okay, so the anal environment is different than the vaginal environment. These two are different environments, so it doesn't like one, you're actually carrying something from one environment and putting into the other one. So never straight away go from anal sex to vaginal sex, never. Even fingers, like you cannot use fingers and then touch it any other part of the body. You have to wash it. Wash your fingers, whatever you are using for anal sex, you have to wash it after use. Okay, so second myth is like only men want anal sex. No, I have known a lot of women friends who like anal sex. So it's both about receiving and giving. So like women can also do anal sex from fingers, right? And there are rims, so rims are also there. So both of these can be used for the anal sex. Now we say anal sex is just like what you have seen in porn. So porn में क्या दिखाता है कि you can just launch spontaneously and it's like great and fast and no, but in reality you have to go very slow with the anal sex, and it can take actually multiple rounds. So you think that okay, today I'm going to have anal sex and it happens. No, you can just stop midway, you can just stop at the beginning and just leave it, and then again you try. So it can take multiple rounds to even have a successful anal sex, which includes full insertion and full pleasure for both the parties. So keep on doing. So don't just stop like okay, आज नहीं हुआ तो ठीक है, let's try tomorrow. But don't try to just push your way that okay, today I have to do it anyhow. Okay, then you cannot go from nothing to full blown on anal intercourse. You have to include foreplay, and then you have to also keep on doing some exercises to relax your anal sex. So you can do some exercise like try to consciously relax to accommodate and then slowly remove, like small dilators. So there are some dilators, so you can actually use those dilators, like ऐसे करो और फिर relax करो, squeeze it, relax. So that actually gives you one continuous motion. Okay, तो continuous motion में आप relaxation contraction करते हो, तो आप एक relaxation की ability लेके आते हो anus में, right? So that's about the anal sex. In case you want to try enema, like a lot of people say that नहीं anal sex का कुछ गंदगी होती है तो you can actually try enema, and there are like things available in pharmacies that can help you do the enema. I mean, do it in case you feel that okay, anal sex is dirty, right? So so I tell you a small incident. My personal experience with anal sex, I did not have the lube first of all, so it was like completely blown out experience. I did not like it. Then secondly, I did not know that it can be done in stages, like you can just try. Okay, just try, let's see if it is working. So there is a open mind is also necessary, that okay, I want to try. See, it's all about introducing variety into love making, and anal sex is definitely something that people know that it exists. So I say that it's a change in mind shift where you have to be open, you are willing to be open, not have to be, but you're willing to be open, and then you have to understand it cannot be like just done in one go. You will require multiple rounds in multiple nights. So not necessarily that एक ही दिन में, एक ही रात में हम 4 बार 5 बार करें. It could be like, there could be take like 6 nights, 7 nights, 10 nights. But yes, you may just try and see, oh yeah. So give the female also confidence that okay, it is not that okay, it's about just the penetration will happen now, and then she will say yeah, this is something that I like it, And because men also like this, the compactness of anus, because it's really compact, so it gives like a lot of pleasure. But some women think that अगर anal sex दिया करने को तो फिर they will again ask and ask for the anal sex, but it's untrue, because vagina anyways has a very different pleasure. So though it is thought that men like anal sex because of its compactness, it is much more compact and gives a like much more friction compared to vagina, but vagina is ultimately a different ball game altogether. So don't think that okay, it will just replace the experience. No. So should one use different condoms? Yes, Nijum, very right, true. Like I said, that anything, it cannot be used. Condoms also cannot be used like from it, because they will still carry some microfecal material. Sandeep, it's not necessary. Like I said, if someone is already having hemorrhoids, then it's a problem. Someone is having constipation, then it's a problem. So you need to have a good bowel movement at least, and then it should not be painful, because that's the whole idea of doing anal sex. अगर painful है तो हमें करना ही नहीं चाहिए, इसलिए हम कह रहे हैं कि उसको हम फेस में कर सकते हैं, slowly कर सकते हैं. Use a lot of lube, relax the anus by massaging, by conscious relaxation of the pelvic floor muscle. Okay, getting into the state of relaxation. Even there could be some position where the female is lying, like missionary position is something that can try. Even woman lying on her stomach, that's also a second position that you can try for anal sex, right? So hurting का बात है कि you can use plenty of lube, and if it is done incorrectly, so if it is not done properly and hurriedly and without any preparation, it needs preparation, then it can hurt. Secondly, it is said that okay, once it hurts, what if there could be small hurt, but will it repeat? So it's not necessary that you will again experience the same thing. It is a myth. So if you graduate, you just go slow, graduate in size, like okay, you just today you just try till here, then here, then here, so you graduate in size, you go slow, you use lube, so it can actually it is surprisingly, people can become accustomed to anal sex, so they start liking it, but that can take some time. So be ready for that, be patient for that. So you don't have to shut the anus if you had 1 or 2 negative experiences, but you're continuously having it every time you're trying with all the steps that I mentioned, and you're still facing the same issue, then you can see a doctor. Like you can go for a regular appointment, you can just check that okay, is there something I really want to try, or you can just leave it, right? So there is no this like compulsion to just do it. Now we say that okay, a bad girl, sluts like anal sex, someone who is like of a bad character. It's not true. Even normal women can like anal sex. In fact, I had a friend of mine, she said I love anal sex, and I was like, oh god, really? It was like very surprising for me, because like many other women, I also used to think sometime back that it's not possible, but yes, some women do like it. So don't think that okay, there is a woman who is not actually a good woman. It's nothing like that. Any woman can like it. Then your partner, would he respect you later? So he thinks that okay, no, anal sex is like something that we shouldn't try, and we shouldn't it's not necessary. It's not the truth. See, it's a sexual activity, okay? It's a sexual activity like any other sexual act. Oral sex, vaginal sex, anal sex is also a sexual act. So because we think it's a taboo, that we don't want, not comfortable thinking that okay, what he will think, he will feel that okay, this is something that she is like not liking it. Any kind of judgments can come in between, so don't go by that. It is a subject of mutual pleasure. Have a talk around it and have a great anal sex. Physical damage, yes, if it is done incorrectly. If the lube is not used, if you're in rush, then you can actually tear the anal muscles and there can be an infection. So please use lube. Lube is very much required. Gentle penetration is required. If the partner is saying no, then stop there. Maybe you can try some other time, but please don't hurry. So there could be a bleeding also, because anal tissue is very thin, it's very delicate, and hence a tearing can happen and there can be a bleeding if not done correctly. So 3 takeaways: ल्यूब्स, लुब्रिकेंट, प्लेंटी ऑफ लुब्रिकेशन होना चाहिए ताकि फ्रिक्शन ना हो और स्मूथ हो एनल सेक्स. सो प्लेंटी ऑफ लुब्रिकेशन, रिलैक्सेशन होना चाहिए. रिलैक्स द एनस consciously. You're relaxing the anus. Don't just get, lot of times people are in fear and then they just do this. So no, relax it in case you are willing to go ahead. Consent is important. No sudden surprises that suddenly you are just jumping into anal sex without informing the partner. Suddenly you are sliding the penis down. Anal sex can be done from fingers, can be done from tongue, can be done from sex toys like butt plugs. Make sure it is hygienic. Make sure you change the condom after using anal sex. You wash the penis after using anal sex, because you cannot just insert the penis into vagina after having anal sex. This can lead to a lot of infections. ओके, तो कॉन्डोम्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं. एनल सेक्स के टाइम करना चाहिए कॉन्डोम, बिकॉज STI का खतरा होता है. प्रेगनेंसी का नहीं होता तो STI का होता है. कॉन्डोम्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं. डेंटल डैम यूज़ कर सकते हैं माउथ में वाइल गिविंग ओरल सेक्स, बिकॉज ओरल सेक्स से भी और एनल को, अगर आप एनस को आप ओरली स्टिमुलेट करें, उससे भी कुछ हो सकता है. स्लैपिंग इन बम्स, स्पैंकिंग, बेसिकली स्पैंकिंग की बात कर रहे हो आप, तो स्पैंकिंग इज अगेन इट्स इनटू BDSM ऑल्सो, एंड येस इट इज़ पेन विथ प्लेजर. तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट होता ही होता है, बट नॉट एवरीवन वुड लाइक स्पैंकिंग. सो you can actually talk to the partner before that whether she likes it or not. For some, definitely it's a excitement. Okay, so I think answered most. What are water-based lubricants? Vijaya, you can actually check out all the stores. Okay, major even condom selling stores have these lubricants. So you can check the stores and just search for water-based lubricants. These are basically used to smoothen, it's like lube, it's like jelly kind of thing, like very watery kind of thing, and it actually adds more lubrication. So yeah, water-based lubricants are compatible with condoms. So thank you so much guys for your time today. I hope I was able to briefly touch on the anal sex and explain the basic things that yes, bleeding, pain can happen, discomfort can happen if done incorrectly, but if you are patient, okay, if you give it multiple chances, if you use lubricants, use a condom, then it could be a pleasurable experience. You have a conversation and just try. Don't just attempt to finish it all in one go. That won't work. So, and don't think it's dirty, because जो stool होता है वो बहुत highest stool होता है. There could be some microfecal material for which I suggested that you can wash the organ or you can change the condom. So thank you so much guys for your time today. Be educated, and be the force. Good night.